Precaution Adoption Process Model (PAPM). Kind 1 diabetes is actually an organ-particular autoimmune ailment with deviant immune replies to particular beta cell autoantigens. However, worldwide occurrence seems to be increasing. Impaired glucose usage may also generate from an elevated fat diet, which elevates the presence of free fatty acids via the cycle of random glucose fatty acid cycle. However, the PAPM, a phase-founded model that determines phases along the path to preventative health action, directed the study hypothesis and goals. A goal for determining where communes are in the phase of a behavior has become in the advantages of using education schemes and materials sketched to move commune along in the phase procedure. The 7-phase PAPM different from other health behavior methods, where an individual is either exercising or not exercising the behavior, conceives behavior alteration as dynamic and happening through time. The model presumes commune move through the series in order, without skipping phases. Anyway, there is no lowest amount of period one will expend in each phase, and commune can fall back in their phase.